day 2. We, we're in the middle of installing this lift kit, but I think what we're gonna do is pause real quick, get all the old suspension off, get the brakes, the rotors, the calipers, get those off on the front axle, and while everything's bare and naked, I'm gonna get a spindle brush and get all this loose rust off of the frame, off of the axles, and we're gonna hit everything with a fresh coat of just flat black Rust-Oleum and kind of protect this frame as best we can. It's not in terrible shape, it's still solid, but there is quite a bit of rust on it. So while everything's off and apart, we are gonna go ahead and clean all that up and hit it with a fresh coat of black. So yeah, that's what we're gonna do. Let's get the back wheel off. We'll get these old leaf springs out, the rear coils out, and we did get the rest of our kit delivered last night. So we got the new leaf springs and the new coils, or the new shocks. So we got everything we need lift kit wise, but let's address some of this other stuff first before we finish up with the lift kit install. So that's the plan. Stay tuned, let's go. We're gonna break all the bolts free and then lower the truck down and use some smaller jacks on it. It's sketchy having it way up here. See, we were just cracking those bolts loose. We'll do that one and that one up there as well. Alright, there's that one. Old U-brackets. Okay, got that one up. Alright, we finally got this passenger side leaf spring out. Pretty corroded. Pretty simple though, just take the bolts out and it comes out. One thing to note on the rear side, there's this shackle situation that will need to be reused. So we'll pull this bolt out of here. And we'll put this shackle on the new leaf springs. I have a very seized bolt. We're about to chop it and hopefully not our own wrist. Got that one now. Time for this one. Another one bites the dust. Careful, it'll be hot, Jenny. Boom, boys. Boom, 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 boom.
There you go.
40 years of service to the American people. Prepped up for some paint here. Going to mask off the coils on both sides. Start getting to some painting. I gotta get the shock in up front. The way the hardware goes up there is you'll put the rubber bushing on and then the cupped side of this washer facing down like that, and then we'll put the nut on. So that's how that goes up there.